Good afternoon. Who is Vaisaki? 1 minute. Third batch. Fine. Only Vaisaki. Today is 16. Vaisaki, you know the thermal expansion chapter is completed. Expansion of solid, expansion of liquid, expansion of gas. Calorimetry means heat capacity, specific heat capacity, okay, and also the change in state, latent heat and change in state, completed. Okay, so next day I will start the practical. So your practical will start from tomorrow, my dear students. So you know your syllabus. Today I will also discuss regarding the practicals. So what portion you note it, and you see it from your syllabus. This to measure diameter of a small spherical or cylindrical body, and to measure internal diameter and depth of a given beaker or calorimeter using vernier calipers. And hence find out its volume. You note it, please. This is the first practical. Tomorrow I will try to complete it. Okay, and today I also discuss about this practical, and you also try to write it everything from your site. You know it. School also provide the sites, the www.olab.edu.in. Okay, so from that side you note it. In which portion you note it, I also discussed to you. To measure the diameter of a small spherical body, first one may be the spherical or the cylindrical. Body, and to measure internal diameter and depth of a given beaker or a calorimeter using the vernier calipers. The name of the instrument is vernier calipers, and hence find its volume. Am I clear? Yes or no? Oisuki, what is your question? Physics practical is given. Project is given. Project is not in your syllabus. Practical. www dot, the site you note it, www dot olab dot edn education edn dot in. Okay, small letter. Is okay? Clear? Okay. You check it. The biology madam already given you, means the e-portal. You have already seen it. Okay. You check it. This is the first, the spherical, or Summon groups also complete the cylindrical. Summon groups also complete the internal diameter and depth of the beaker or the calorimeter. So 4 apparatus are there, set of apparatus are there. First is this, solid body is the spherical, maybe the cylindrical, maybe the beaker, maybe the calorimeter. So apparatus is one. This is the vernier calipers. With the help of this vernier calipers, you measure the dimension of those. Okay. So Summon groups are complete the diameter of a spherical body. Summon groups are complete the diameter of a cylindrical body, also the height of the cylindrical body, also you find out the volume of the cylindrical body. Summon groups are complete the internal diameter and depth of the beaker, and you find out the volume of the beaker. And Summon groups are complete the calorimeter, means depth and diameter of the calorimeter, and also find out the volume. Am I clear? So with the help of this instrument, the vernier calipers. So my dear student, in the practical rooms, so many instruments are there. How you will identify this is the vernier calipers, that is the screw gauge, that is the speedometer. Okay. So with the help of the 3 instruments, the same type of measuring of the dimension, vernier calipers. In a year. Vernier calipers. Okay, so in our practical rooms, you see it. Wait 1 minute. I will carry it. Just you see here, this is the vernier calipers, and that is the screw gauge, and third one is the speedometer. Yes. Yes. So you see it. This is the vernier calipers. You see here. This is the main scale reading. The lower part is the centimeter and upper part is the inches. So you collect the centimeter, and the inner part of it's a circular part. You see here a oval type circular part. This is the vernier reading. Okay. You first find out the vernier constant. How can you find out the vernier constant? Okay. You see it. This zero line of the main scale coincides with the zero line of the vernier scale. You check it. If those are not coincide with each other, that time the instrumental error is there. So you calculate the instrumental error. But you see most of the instrumental error is 0. You check it. So with the help of this jaw, you move it this to that direction as your wish. Okay. And this portion, you see it, the 0 coincide with the 0 line, means main scale reading. This and that side also. So this side okay. So in this middle portion you see one oval type scale is there, and here is main scale. You check it. Okay, this reading is centimeter and that reading is inch. Okay, so the oval shape, you check it when you see the instrument. The 10 divisions are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 divisions are there. Okay, so 10 division in the vernier scale. 10 division in the vernier scale means, my dear student, you check here the here the 10 divisions are there. 10 divisions are there, and when you start from the instrument, you collect the reading. 0 line of the main scale coincide with the 0 line of the vernier scale. Okay, 0 line of the main scale coincide with the 0 line of the vernier scale. That time the instrumental error is 0. Am I clear? And you see it. How can we find out the vernier constant? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 main scale division coincide with the 10 vernier scale division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 vernier scale division. Am I clear? So you check it. This is the vernier reading. That is the main scale reading. So 10 vernier scale division coincide with the 9 main scale division. Okay? Okay? So 1 vernier scale division, main scale division. So 9 by 10. Vernier constant. Vernier constant, you can find out it. The 10 vernier scale division equal to 9 main scale division. 1 vernier scale division equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. Okay. So you check here. 1 main scale division equal to 1 millimeter. Yes or no? 1 main scale division equal to 1 millimeter, because you know it, this is the centimeter reading. So 7 to 8, suppose 10 divisions are there. So if 7 to 8, 10 divisions are there, so 1 division equal to 1 millimeter. Okay? Okay? Basically, 1 division equal to 1 millimeter. So the Vernier constant equal to 1 main scale division. 1 main scale division by 9 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 10. That is equal to millimeter. 0.1 millimeter. That is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Clear? Clear? Next day again I will dictate to you with the help of the instrument and find out. How can we find out the reading? Suppose you consider it. This is a cylindrical object. Suppose you consider it. You hold it here. Okay. Suppose zero line not coincide with the 9th number line of the main scale or 1th number of the main scale. So reading is, main scale reading is 9 millimeter. Okay. 9 millimeter. That is equal to, if you write it in centimeter form, that will be the, in centimeter, that will be the 0.9 centimeter. How many division? Division of Vernier scale. Means Vernier, any division coincide with the mains division, that division you note it. From this instrument I can see the 7th number division. So Vernier scale reading equal to 7 into 0.01, that is equal to 0.07 centimeter. Okay. So what is the total reading? TR equal to 0.97 in centimeter. Okay. Clear? Clear? Tomorrow I also try to see you 4 practicals. 4 practicals means practical 1, but 4 different safe objects. I also try to calculate the dimension of those objects. Okay. It's okay? Is it clear? So with the help of the Vernier calipers, we measure the diameter of the cylinder, we measure the diameter of the spherical body, we measure the internal depth and also the internal diameter of the beaker or the calorimeter, and it's find out its volume. Okay. Next I will try to clear you more than instrument. Also you see here today, this is the Vernier calipers, that is the screw gauge. You see here, the name of this instrument is screw gauge. We measure the diameter of a wire, diameter of a thickness of a sheet, diameter of a page, diameter of a hair also. Okay, with the help of this instrument. The name of this instrument is screw gauge. Screw gauge. You see here, this is the main scale reading. Here the main scale internal side, you see the main scale reading, and this is the circular scale reading. You see it, 0 start and finish, it will be 100. So 1 main scale reading, that is equal to 100 division. That means 1 millimeter you divide it into 100 division, and for that instrument 1 millimeter you divide it into 10 division. So which one is more accurate? This one is more accurate. Am I clear? Yes or no? The 1 millimeter divided into 10 division means you measure the 0.01 centimeter. With the help of this instrument, you can measure it. The 1 millimeter is equal to that 100 division. That is equal to 0.001 centimeter. So this instrument is more accurate than that. Am I clear? So with this instrument, you can measure the diameter, thickness of that object. Those are very small size. Okay, and this instrument you can measure it, the rod, cylinder, beaker, so many instruments are there. And third one is the spirometer. Okay, spirometer also you can measure it, the diameter of a convex lens, but spherical surface. Okay, so with this help of this instrument, you can measure it. This instrument also, this side is the linear scale. This side is the linear scale. That scale is millimeter, not the centimeter. This is the centimeter reading. That also the millimeter reading. This also the millimeter reading. Okay. The 1 millimeter, you divide it into 100 division. You see here, the 100 divisions are there. That is the circular division. Okay. Circular scale reading, CSR, circular scale division multiplied by the vernier or the least count of that instrument. Okay. Circular scale division into least count, that is equal to circular scale reading. Main scale reading plus circular scale reading is the total reading of that in that object. Okay. So next day when I will complete this practical in the practical rooms, that time you also complete all the part of this, you note it in your copies. That means the aim of this experiment, theory of that experiment. Next is the constant part of that instrument. Constant part means how can we find out the vernier constant. Okay. Second is the observation table. Okay. Third is the calculation. Fourth is the result. Fifth is the precaution. Third is the seventh is the sources of error. Am I clear? So already you note it in your practical copy. Without the means except the experimental data. Okay. Tomorrow when I will complete it, that time you note it the experimental data from that object. That object means if the spherical object, if the cylindrical object, if the beaker, if the calorimeter. Okay. So many objects are there. So with the help of any objects, you can measure the dimension of those objects. Okay. And you calculate it, the volume, the diameter, the depth and the height. Clear? Repeat the topics one more. No, which topics? Which part? I'll again repeat it. Which part? Oh, what do you have to write it? Again I repeat it. First you write it the aim of this. Aim means just you have seen it, the aim of that. Okay. To measure the diameter, to measure the volume, so many words are there. Means this is the aim of this practical. To measure the diameter of a spherical body and to measure the internal diameter and depth of the given beaker or the calorimeter using vernier calipers and find out its volume. This is the aim of this subject. Okay. Second, theory. Okay. Third, constant part, instrumental constant. Okay. Vernier constant. Fourth is observation table. Fourth. Fifth is calculation. Sixth is a result. Next is precaution. Last is the sources of error. Okay. So many parts are there. Individual parts and marks also the individual. 8 marks are there. 1 marks each for points. Okay. Observation table 2 marks. And rest of the parts of 1 parts. 8 marks for each practicals. Clear? Am I clear? It's okay? Am I clear? You are the only one student. Oh, number third. Who is present? Vaisukian? Who is present? Vaisukian? After calculation, what you said? After calculation, a result. You noted the result. Next is the precaution. Last is the sources of error. Clear? Clear? Yes. Thank you. Who is the last number student except the Oisuki? Second last number student, what is the name? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sir. Third number student. How can I find out it? Pirthis. No. This boy, second number student. Pirthis. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Attendance is necessary. Okay. Thank you, my dear student.